Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. In this video, we will be looking at Law 46, never appear too perfect. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Law 46 states that appearing better than others is always a dangerous game. You never want to be in a position where you appear too perfect, because this will be the perfect place for people to try and take it down and take you down a notch because you seem too perfect. Now, if you put in a little bit of ruggedness and show that you aren't that perfect, and if you show that you aren't that perfect, you do have a few things that you need to work on. You're a bit rough around the edges. You're not exactly fully perfect. People will be able to relate to you more, and you won't have as much attention on you in a sense where people will want to try and tone you down. People will look at you and they'll be able to relate to you more because they don't see you as above them, they see you as an equal. You're gonna have less of a target on your back. Now, this law states that you do need to be careful when it comes to envy. People are very envious, and when people see that you're doing well, things are going well for you, it could easily lead to them wanting to do things to put you down. People will try to do things that will sabotage your greatness. They want to see you down. So you need to be really careful of that. And by appearing as if, you're not that perfect, you do have things that you do need to work on. You're going to have less of a target on your back. People aren't going to look at you as much of a target. You're just going to fit in with everybody else. And that is what you need to do sometimes in order to maintain that level of power that you have. You need to make alliances with people. And don't flaunt your wealth that much. You need to conceal it to a certain extent, because when people see that you're doing better than them, they don't like it. But if they think that you're not doing as great as them, you're going to see that they're more likely to help you. And that's why this law applies. Never appear too perfect. When you don't, you actually find that you might get more help and support by doing so. If you appear too perfect, people are going to assume that you've already got everything in place, and they're not going to want to help you because they're going to believe that you've already got it sorted, when that might not be the case. So, in a nutshell, Law 46, never appear too perfect. To summarize, you need to make sure that you show that you're not that perfect. You need to show that you do have some work to do, and that way you will get in more with people. People will relate to you as well, and you're likely to get more help because people are not going to be as envious of you. They're more likely to help you. In the next video, we will be looking at the penultimate law, Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, learn when to stop. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are notified when that video drops. Make sure you have a blessed week. Stay blessed, enjoy, and I will catch you in the next video. Don't know why.
People don't know. I just want to enjoy my day. So live your life.